This is Car Guys New England, your YouTube channel for anything automotive.
You bad, cause it's bit bad. She want me the bag, like chips at the front. This fuck, I'm fly like a pelic in my bed. I like get my boy pelic quick. They get gonna put up on the elephant cut. My trunk, yeah, it's in the front. Of course, it's in the back. This a big. This is a real big difference. You just want a club. I just need them racks. You just wanna party. I just wanna rock star.
This is Jay with Car Guys New England. Today I'm at Ken's Auto Repair in Billerica, Massachusetts, my go-to Panther guy. Today we're going to be replacing the front bumper. It's pretty pitted, and just a lot of things going on with it as far as, you know, paint chipping and then a lot of pitting along the front here, and yeah, it's time to replace it. Hey Kenny, so what's going on with the town car today?
We're going to do a front bumper swap. Nice new one over there compared to this pretty beat up one over here.
Cool.
So that's it.
Nice.
That's on today's schedule.
Yeah, that's pretty pitted. So we're going to take off this plastic cover, and then I'm going to remove the headlights to get this ready to remove the bumper. And to remove this, we're just going to remove these clips. There's one here, one in the front, another one in the front, one over here, one in the middle. All right, so we got the headlights out, got that cover panel out. Next step, we're going to put the car up on the lift and start removing some screw or nuts that hold the bumper in, and got to take the front wheels off.
Yes, we do.
So on the bottom here, we're going to remove the 10 millimeter screws or bolts.
1, 2, 3. This one's actually no nut there.
Interesting.
So for some reason, someone's had it off at some point.
Huh. And the bumper is off. Sweet.
Yeah.
Now we get to put the other one on.
Anything else we should do before those?
So my car must have been in a minor accident at some point, because the actual bumper on here is a little bit of damage to that, which is interesting. That probably explains why the paint's peeling on part of the bumper there. So we got to swap out the chrome trim, which I'll take that and put that on the other one, get the other chrome trim off, and then we have to put the license plate frame on. All right, so here's the new bumper, got the chrome on, got the license plate frame on. Now it's ready to go back on the town car. And we've put the new bumper on, and now we just got to put all the hardware back in, put the headlights in, put the header panel back in, and then we're good. So that came out amazing. This looks great compared to that other bumper behind you, huh?
Absolutely breathtaking as far as dullness to shine. You know?
For those of you wondering where I got the bumper, I actually got it from ReveMoto, and you just give them your paint code, and as you can see, it matches perfectly. So I'm very happy with ReveMoto. I'd highly recommend them. I had to do a little bit of modification on the bumper, but because it is an aftermarket bumper, it's not an actual Ford bumper. But other than that, awesome, pretty good install. Paint matches perfectly, finishes very nice on this, so I'm very pleased. So thank you very much, Kenny. Really appreciate your help with the bumper. So for the people out there that have Panther cars, where can they find you?
You can find me in Billerica, Mass, and you can find my website, kensautorepairma.com. You can find me on Facebook. And you can give me a shout at 978-667-9005.
Cool. And thank you very much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like. If you have questions or comments, be sure to comment down below. This is Jay with Car Guys New England. Until next time, take care.